Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen. Winter is almost up and you know what that means. Time for some popsicles. So what we have in store for you today is two ingredients, yes, just two ingredients, Oreo Popsicles. So let's go. Here's what you need. You can melt some chocolate to top it off, but that's optional. Start by smashing the Oreo cookies. Then cut the top of each bag and set it aside. You can use another pack to fill this gap. Now simply add the milk almost all the way up. Next, add the popsicle sticks and to the freezer. That's it. Once frozen, unwrap it and enjoy. Well, my freezer is so, that's why the milk got the color of the chocolate. Like I said, you can use some melted chocolate, but if you ask me, it's sweet enough as is. Let me know in the comments below if you made these and how they turned out for you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit.